What's up folks, Mike here at Watches. Welcome to the video, and today's video is going to be a little bit different. As you may have noticed if you're a subscriber to the channel, I have been doing quite a few little YouTube shorts videos, and those are with the intention of sharing some of the things that I get up to here in the workshop on a daily basis. Nice short concise little videos, just showcasing a few little things as we go along. So I'm fairly new to the YouTube shorts thing, but I will be consistently adding more of those little videos because they're far easier to do. But in some of those shorts videos I featured this particular watch, which is a Jaeger LeCoultre watch from the Second World War. And I thought before this goes back to the customer, since it's quite rare to see one of these watches, I believe there was only 6,000 of these particular model produced during that period, so they're quite rare, they're quite hard to find, so I thought I'd do a slightly longer video showcasing this particular watch, as of course, as I said, they're quite rare, so don't get every opportunity to see one of these and showcase them, so that everyone gets to see what they were like. So this one has been fully serviced and regulated, adjusted, and is keeping absolutely excellent time now. There's been no cosmetic work, no change to the glass, no cleaning of the case, nothing like that. The owner specifically requests with all of his military watches that they are kept as original as possible, so that only the movement is serviced, which is a great thing, because some people do ask for certain things to be done which shouldn't be done to watches like these. So it's quite refreshing to have someone who understands the value of keeping it as original as possible. As I say, the movement on this particular watch has been serviced, and it features a 479 caliber. And what always amazes me with these watches, which are known as the Dirty Dozen because of the 12 companies that produce these various watches, including Omega, Timor, Cyma, Jaeger LeCoultre, and then of course quite a few others. Vertex, I think, also made one as well. But what always amazed me about these military watches, because I've done quite a few of them now, is the quality of the movement inside. Has always been really, really good, even though it's not for a public use. Even for military use, the movements are still decorated quite nicely. So let's have a look at the face to begin with, and then we'll move on to the movement. We can see on this watch they all kind of look pretty much the same: black dial, Arabic numerals, and then it'll have the old radium lume. So these are skeletonized hands. Still has the original lumen there. There's been quite a bit of tarnish and wear to the hands, but this is all pretty natural, to be honest. Then we move over to the case back, the WWII case back. We'll just unscrew this so that we can see the movement on the inside. And this is the caliber 479. Nicely decorated, looks very similar also to the caliber 467-2, which is used in the military pocket watches. This is almost like a shrunk down version of that, almost in exactly the same layout, same style as that pocket watch, if you've ever seen one of those. So as you can see, it's got the Geneva stripe pattern on the plates, a nice gilt finish, highly polished regulator, highly polished screws. Just generally a very nice, good quality movement. Even though it's going into a practical watch, they still kept up with the standards. And Omega are the same. Omega used to use, I think it was a 38.5 caliber in their pocket watches, and they were gilt plates and very nicely produced movements as well. Same with other watches such as Vertex, Cyma. So it always amazed me the quality of the movements that they used to use. Considering their practical purposes, they didn't require any decoration, but they are sort of decorated anyway. So yeah, it's a beautiful little watch, but rarely seen, so I thought I'd share this on the channel in a slightly longer video, get a better view of it, so that you can see the quality of these timepieces. It's actually fairly clean, all things aside. The case is in really good condition. Few knocks and dings as to be expected with the age, and even the glass is pretty good, and the crown, obviously an original crown. So who only knows who actually used this particular watch, but they must have taken good care of it, because it's in a really good condition. So try and get some nice close-up views there of the watch. So it's kind of sad to see this go back to the customer, but I'm really happy, really satisfied with the quality of the service finish there. Keeps absolutely spot on time. So I use my little Seiko clock here to check against watches. This Seiko clock's fairly accurate, so I set the watch to this clock, and if they maintain time over a certain period of time, as well as obviously using the time grapher, then I know that they're all good to go. But yeah, be sad to see this go. Nice little piece of history, but nice to put a little video out there for other people, future generations, to come back and have a look and see what these watches are all about. So there we go. That's it for this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. All my subscribers, I appreciate you a massive amount, and I will be trying to upload more videos. There's more projects planned for the future, so be sure to come back and check them out. But that's it for now, so have a good day. Take care of yourselves.